It's heartening to watch the dogs jumping into the fountain, clearing the waves in pursuit of nothing but joy. Running with no destination brings a feeling of freedom. The life that carried the tide, the froth beckoning her into the night, spitting salty, frothy water with a wag, feet paddling through swirling seaweed, dachshunds dancing on the crystal blue. The sweet glow shines on the wave, lighting the fur on the top of a tiny head. The pack of furry friends eagerly anticipate their freedom. So easy to please. Leading the lifeboat was the Doberman eating the sandwich. Licking, licking, licking. Out of its element, yet more than at home, he looks from horizon line to the sky, and the salt water burn the cuts on their paws and tail. The fountain flows and the dogs swim into the mountain, both mammals gliding, floating, swimming, slick and furry, intertwined for a moment, matted fur delightfully salty when licked. And loneliness drowned her yelps within moments. Memories made with lazy breezes dancing over bonfires, floats with ease, spray in my face, warmth, and the sun smiled away. How can this be integrated into everyday life? Woof! Swoosh! Woof, woof! Swoosh!